Here's the third page. And if you haven't already done this page, I want you to stop what you're doing and try and do this page by yourself first. It says, can you curl your tongue up on the sides? Tongue curling in humans is a dominant genetic trait. Suppose a man who is big T, little t for tongue curling marries a woman who is also big T, little t for this trait. What are the possible genotypes and phenotypes of their children and the percent chance for each? You guys have been doing this same thing. This is a heterozygous cross. And in Mendelian genetics, it's always going to be, some of you may even be at the point where you don't even need to write it down. But let's say he's big T, little t, and she's big T, little t. Then this baby's going to be big T from the dad and big T from the mom. And this baby's going to be big T from the dad and little t from the mom, because that's the way it works. This baby's going to be big T from the mom and little t from the dad. And this baby's going to be little t, little t. The genotypes, the possible genotypes here are, get away from me, you colored pen. Go away now. The genotypes are, ouch, big T, homozygous dominant. Big T, little t, heterozygous, which means the dominant trait's going to show up. And little t, which means they cannot roll their tongue. So the phenotype is rolls tongue, rolls tongue, can't roll tongue. The chance of the big T showing up is 25%, or 1 out of 4. The chance of the big T, little t is 50%, or 2 out of 4, and 25%, or 1 out of 4. Wow. In guinea pigs, rough coats with lots of swirly cowlicks are dominant over smooth coats. If a big R guinea pig is crossed with a big R little r guinea pig, what are the possible genotypes and phenotypes of the offspring? What are the chances of each? So we're saying that R is dominant. The one guy is big R, and the other guy is big R, little r. Okay. Big R here. Let me move this up a little bit. Big R, big R, little r, and big R, little r. If you can't do this, you gotta holler out. If you still don't get it, you gotta let me know. And then, now I can really put away the pens in my handy dandy pen holder. Genotypes, big R, and big R, little r. The phenotype is cowlicks, or rough coat. Rough coat, because that dominant allele is there. That means that's what shows up in the offspring. And again, one more time, this is a probability, a 50% chance of big R, or 1 out of 2, or 2 out of 4, and a 50% chance. But what's the chance for the phenotype? It's 100%. It's 100% chance that those babies will have a rough coat, unless there's some other weird thing going on, like a mutation. And that's it. Again, please let me know if you don't get it, because I'm going to keep going.